Gateway Bookbinding Systems, in business since 1965, is recognized within the industry as the plastic spiral experts. The equipment that Gateway builds is designed to bring you user-friendly productivity and flexibility. In response to the ever-evolving digital print industry, Gateway developed the PBS 2800 Koilmatic, a fully electric tabletop automatic coil inserter and finishing system. The Koilmatic incorporates the same patented technology as Gateway's more industrial PBS 3000 QS4 auto inserter. As a fully electric machine, the Koilmatic fits easily into any print environment. No compressed air is required. The Koilmatic can handle 25 books or 2500 books with ease. No tools are required for basic setup. A simple coil sizing gauge on the side of the machine determines the diameter of coil required for the job. The operator simply places the selected coil into the innovative carriage adjustment gauge, which sets the carriage position. The Koilmatic book clamp adjustment gauge uses the book that's being bound to set the proper book clamp position. A base set of 13 spine formers, conveniently stored behind the front panel, help curve the book to match the curve of the coil. The side lay block rotates to set the perfect angle to correspond to the diameter of coil being used. Preset cut and bend head positioning blocks make setup quick and easy for the common 8.5 and 11-inch binding edges, along with the common European A5 and A4 sizes. The Koilmatic has an LCD screen that guides the operator through the machine's setup and operation. The LCD screen communicates with the operator at all times. The oversized oval or double D punch hole in the .2475-inch pitch is required to work with the Koilmatic machine. This pitch and hole shape enables the Koilmatic to achieve its maximum productivity. Vertical book placement works with gravity and allows for tabs or wider covers. Logical operation and convenient foot pedal actuation mean even your newest employee will quickly get up to speed. The Koilmatic can produce up to 450 bound and finished books per hour. The Koilmatic is easy to install and easy to operate with a low-maintenance design. The machine offers easy changeovers, minimizing downtime. Troubleshooting is easily handled by the machine's onboard electronic diagnostic system. The Koilmatic comes complete with a photo instruction manual and training video, with a 1-year parts warranty, and the support of Gateway's exceptional technical service team. You can be confident you are investing in a machine you can count on. For assistance or machine references, please contact us.